JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, full details on what happened at Pathways released. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions has released a statement detailing the allegations against Andrew Ruddock, the accused of the murder of Tanika Gardner, a fellow member of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration. Gardner was killed during a ritual on Sunday, October 17. Another member was also killed during the ritual at which the now deceased pastor, Kevin O. Smith, was presiding. The full statement by the DPP reads, Number 1. The Pathways International Church is located at 144 Albion Street, Montego Bay in the parish of St. James. Dr. Kevin O. Smith purported to be trained in technical psychotherapy and was the leader pastor of this organization up to the time of his demise. Number 2, the deceased, Tanika Gardner, was introduced by her onto the church when it was located at its previous address. 3, the accused, Andrew Ruddock, was employed by Dr. Smith to take care of his animals, including 17 goats and 3 cows, and to perform other jobs around the church. 4, according to witness accounts, Dr. Smith was addressed by the titles His Excellency, Daddy or Father. He later asked to be addressed as His Majesty because he was the king. Number 5, in the initial days of its establishment, the church operated like an ordinary church for most members, with marriages, baptisms, sowing of seeds and deliverance ministries being the norm. The members of the church claimed that Dr. Smith would prophesy or get a vision about people's deaths. Number 6, one witness alleges that approximately 2 weeks prior to the incident, Dr. Smith began to act strange and change what he taught in the church. Dr. Smith said that Selassie was God and told his congregants that they could listen to secular music from persons such as Sizzler, Capleton, Buja Banton, Beanie Queen Ifrica, and others. Dr. Smith also told his congregants that they could smoke weed because it can carry them to a higher level of consciousness. Number 7, it is alleged that if Dr. Smith wanted a donation from the church and he believed that a particular member had money and did not want to give it to him, he would say that the member would crash and die, and he would send out his wrath on that member and his or her family.
Norma Willocks is late to church. Where's Norma? Norma, I need to talk to you. Is either you find a new man? So why are you not coming to church no more? You have fixed fence when you should be at church. Your fence are going to drop down. You get more than drop down. And then I tell you, so you take them land. See there.
Dr. Smith would allegedly use threatening terminology to get the money, and his method was described as dictatorial. Number 8, if a particular member and his or her family wanted to proceed on vacation, the member would have to seek permission from Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith said that without his covering, the member and his or her family would not pass through immigration. Number 9, the church had a Facebook page where Dr. Smith would post information in relation to the church and communicate with his congregants. Number 10, on October 12, 2021, Dr. Smith said that the persons in the church who took the vaccine would be singled out and put out of the church. Dr. Smith did not believe in the vaccine and said it was the mark of the beast. He further said that anyone who took the vaccine had no share and part with God and would be cut off from the light. October 15, 2021, 2 days before the incident. Number 11, on Friday, October 15, 2021, a post was made on the church's Facebook page informing persons to attend the church to update their membership. Number 12, there was also a Facebook post made on October 15, 2021, informing the congregants to attend the church on October 16, 2021, so that he could speak with them. October 16, 2021, the day before the incident. Number 13, on Saturday, October 16, 2021, members gathered at the church, dressed in white as they were ordered to do so by Dr. Smith. At about 6 p.m., Dr. Smith told them that before entering the church, they should bow down on their knees and he will judge them and write their names in the Lamb's Book of Life. He also instructed them to cover their heads with something white, as he did not want anyone to look on his glory. This service continued until about 1 a.m. on Sunday, October 17, 2021. October 17, 2021, day of incident. Number 14, on Sunday, October 17, 2021, witness A and the accused Andrew Ruddock went to feed Dr. Smith's animals. At about 9 a.m., Dr. Smith ordered the members to throw away all sodas and fill the bottles with water, as well as to throw away all canned food. 15. At about 2:35 p.m., witness A observed when Dr. Smith allegedly arrived at the church in the company of now deceased Kevon Palmer and a police officer. The church was the scene of the crime. Dr. Smith allegedly shouted that he was God in the flesh and come in the heart before it closes. He referred to the church as the Ark. Number 16. Witness A indicates that Dr. Smith told the members to throw away all tissue, wipes, and soap. While disposing of the items, a bottle of wine broke. Approximately 20 minutes later, Dr. Smith told the now deceased Kevon Palmer that whoever was in front of the wine, Palmer should cut that person's throat so they can enter into the kingdom. Dr. Smith instructed the now deceased Kevon Palmer to cut the throat of witness A and other persons. Witness A said he went to the safe side. Number 17, Dr. Smith told witness B that in order for him to enter into the kingdom, the now deceased Kevon Palmer would have to cut his throat. Witness B knelt down in front of Dr. Smith and handed the knife to the now deceased Kevon Palmer. Witness B subsequently ran outside along with another person. The now deceased Kevon Palmer chased witness B and the other person and stabbed them in their backs. Number 18, at this juncture, the other members of the church lay down on the ground and covered themselves. Dr. Smith then began to destroy the glass on the altar, the window, and other items. Number 19, sometime after, Dr. Smith gave a knife to witness A and told him that it was Michael the Archangel. Dr. Smith also gave the accused Andrew Ruddock a knife and told him that he, Ruddock, was the Archangel Gabriel. Number 20, Michael Brown, now deceased, was a member of the church at the time of his demise who was suffering from a health issue which resulted in tubes being attached to his body. Dr. Smith told the now deceased Michael Brown, "You have to die, but you'll rise again because I am the resurrection and the light." Thereafter, Dr. Smith pulled the tubes from Mr. Brown, who then bled to death. Dr. Smith told witness A and the accused Andrew Ruddock to leave Mr. Brown to die. 21. While the members were gathered outside the church, they chanted, "Yeshua, Yeshua." Dr. Smith said, "Who dat?" Thereafter, Dr. Smith called the names of persons from a list that he had in his hand. Those persons whose names were called were allowed to enter the church building, the Ark. These persons signed 999 beside their names, and thereafter, Dr. Smith signed 999 beside their names. 22. When the now deceased Tanika Gardner arrived at the gate, she asked the little boy to assist her. The little boy then said, "Pastor, she have luggage." Dr. Smith asked Miss Gardner, "Is your blood clean?" He also asked her about a particular health issue from which she was suffering at the time. 23. Dr. Smith asked Miss Gardner, "Do you believe that I am the resurrection and the life?" Miss Gardner said yes. Dr. Smith then asked her, "Do you believe I can raise you from the dead?" Miss Gardner replied yes. Dr. Smith responded, "Your blood have to be cleansed. I'll have to cut your throat," and Miss Gardner said yes. 24. Dr. Smith instructed witness A to cut Miss Gardner's throat. Witness A said no. The accused Andrew Ruddock walked to where Miss Gardner was located. When the accused Andrew Ruddock got to where Miss Gardner was located, she knelt down before him. At this point, the accused Andrew Ruddock used a knife to cut Miss Gardner's throat. It is said that the deceased Tanika Gardner did not make a sound or scream, but witness her heard a gargling sound. Number 25, witness B indicates that Dr. Smith told the accused Andrew Ruddock to cut Miss Gardner's head right off. "She's a goat. She has to die. She's a sacrifice." The accused did not cut off Miss Gardner's head. 26. The police stormed the premises of the church, and after this, shots were fired from inside the church. The police officers took evasive action and returned fire. The now deceased Kevon Palmer advanced towards the police officers armed with a machete. 27. When the firing of the shots ceased and the police were able to enter the church, the bodies of 3 deceased persons were discovered: Tanika Gardner, Michael Brown, and Kevon Palmer. 28. The members of the church who were present at the scene, including Andrew Ruddock, were escorted to the police station. 29. On Monday, October 18, 2021, the accused Andrew Ruddock gave a caution statement in the presence of 2 justices of the peace for the parish of St. James. 30. The accused, Andrew Ruddock, was placed before the Home Circuit Court on Wednesday, October 27, 2021, after the Director of Public Prosecutions preferred a voluntary bill of indictment. The accused, Mr. Ruddock, indicated that he was unable to afford the services of an attorney at law. As such, the matter was adjourned until Wednesday, November 3, 2021, to allow senior counsel to be assigned to him by the Legal Aid Council. 31. On Wednesday, November 3, 2021, the accused, Mr. Andrew Ruddock, was placed before the Home Circuit Court. Counsel Mr. Anthony Williams indicated that he has been assigned by the Legal Aid Council to appear on behalf of Mr. Ruddock. Counsel Ms. Venice Brown also appears with Mr. Williams in the matter. 32. The court, having heard the allegations, ordered a psychiatric evaluation for Mr. Ruddock. The matter was thereafter adjourned until Tuesday, December 7, 2021.
Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am.
JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.